Some monkeys are cute, others are clever. And then there are a few that look like they escaped from a dream, or maybe a cartoon gone wrong. One shines as if dipped in gold, glowing through the forest like it doesn't belong to this world. Another struts around with a nose so large it could double as a hammock. One unlucky soul is bald, with a tomato-red face, like it lost a bet with a jungle barber. But that's just the start. You'll meet bodybuilder monkeys with wild paint jobs, puffballs that look like sky-colored cotton candy, and even some who seem like they're still celebrating Halloween every single day. These monkeys aren't myths. They're real, rare, and in many cases, on the edge of disappearing forever. So stick around, because once you've seen them, you'll be telling people about them for days. Let's dive in. Golden langur, the shy golden spirit. The golden langur looks almost too beautiful to be real. Its golden white fur glows in the sunlight as if it stepped straight out of a fairy tale. This rare monkey lives only in Bhutan and parts of Assam, India, high in the trees where humans rarely go. Discovered in the 1950s, it's shy, quiet, and spends its days eating leaves, fruits, and seeds. Families live peacefully in small groups, grooming one another and protecting their young. In some regions, they're seen as sacred, bringing blessings and peace. But fewer than 5,000 remain in the wild, threatened by deforestation. Conservation projects are giving them hope, but time is running out. Peruvian black spider monkey, the jungle acrobat. If the rainforest had a Batman, it would be the Peruvian black spider monkey. With long arms, a whip-like tail, and a sleek black coat, it swings through the canopy like an acrobat at the Jungle Olympics. It can even hang upside down by its tail while eating. Lazy or talented, you decide. Despite its mysterious look, it's social, living in groups of up to 30 and communicating with squeals, barks, and even parrot-like calls. But sadly, hunting and deforestation are pushing this superhero closer to extinction. Silvery marmoset, the cotton cloud. Tiny, fluffy, and curious, the silvery marmoset looks like a cotton ball with giant white ears. Native to Brazil, it's only the size of a soda can but packed with energy and attitude. It lives in tight family groups where everyone helps raise the babies, chattering with squeaks and clicks like tiny walkie-talkies in the trees. Using their sharp teeth, they chew into bark and slurp sap like smoothies, alongside fruit, bugs, and even lizards. Small, stylish, and noisy, this monkey is the forest's little gossip. Emperor tamarin, the mustached detective. With a long white mustache that curls like an old emperor's, the Emperor tamarin looks like a tiny, royal detective. Named after a German emperor with the same iconic facial hair, this monkey weighs less than a loaf of bread, but rules the treetops of South America. It's playful, fast, and social, living in lively groups that sometimes engage in shouting contests with their neighbors. Wise in appearance, mischievous in behavior, this monkey proves that looks can be deceiving. Golden snub-nosed monkey, the snow survivor. The golden snub-nosed monkey looks like it belongs in a fantasy movie. With golden fur and a blue face frozen in surprise, it thrives in the snowy mountains of China where few monkeys could survive. They huddle in giant groups, sometimes up to 600 strong, cuddling to stay warm. If hugging were an Olympic sport, they'd take the gold. Red-shanked douche, the runway model. Imagine a monkey dressed by a fashion designer. That's the red-shanked douche. With red velvet legs, gray arms, a golden face, and a white tail, it looks like a costumed noble. But beneath the style is a gentle, social animal found in Southeast Asia. Sadly, its beauty has made it a target for hunters, and it is now critically endangered. Colobus monkey, the thumbless acrobat. Dressed in a black and white cape, the Colobus monkey is missing something unusual: thumbs. But what it loses in grip, It gains in skill, leaping up to 50 feet between trees. Its stomach is just as special, able to digest leaves other monkeys can't, much like a cow in a monkey suit. Zanzibar red colobus, the smelly punk rocker. The Zanzibar red colobus is unforgettable, not just for its fiery fur, but also for its strong smell. Scientists even call it one of the smelliest monkeys alive. Unique to Zanzibar Island, it lives in big social groups, leaping, grooming, and munching leaves. But with forests disappearing, it's fighting for survival. Mexican spider monkey, the jungle superhero. If Spider-Man had a monkey cousin, it would be the Mexican spider monkey. With elastic arms, legs, and a tail that works like a fifth hand, it swings effortlessly across 30-foot gaps in the rainforest. Sadly, like many of its cousins, it's endangered by hunting and habitat loss. De Brazza's monkey, the bearded professor. With a white beard, orange crown, and serious expression, the de Brazza's monkey looks like it's heading to a board meeting. Quiet, shy, and thoughtful, it prefers the company of its family and seems wiser than most humans. Howler monkey, the loudmouth rock star. The howler monkey holds the title of loudest land animal on Earth. Its roar can be heard 3 miles away, thanks to a special bone in its throat that works like a built-in speaker. Eat, sleep, and yell. That's its daily routine. Jungle neighbors probably aren't fans. Night monkey, the moonlit teddy bear. With huge round eyes, the night monkey looks like a wide-eyed teddy bear. It's the only nocturnal monkey, living under moonlight with its family, where Dad does most of the babysitting. Saki monkey, the masked phantom. The Saki monkey looks like it never took off its Halloween mask. Males have fluffy black bodies and ghostly white faces, giving them a spooky charm. They're shy, quiet, and live in small family groups, eating fruits and cracking nuts with powerful jaws. Drill monkey, the jungle bodybuilder. The drill monkey looks like a muscular warrior with a face painted in bright colors. Close cousins of the mandrill, drills are rare, powerful, and among Africa's most endangered monkeys. From golden spirits to mustache detectives, spooky phantoms to loudmouth rock stars, these monkeys prove that nature has a wild sense of humor. Strange, rare, and beautiful, each one is a reminder of the incredible diversity of life on Earth and why protecting their forests is more important than ever. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video.